So here we have a 23-in-1 Snowflake multi-tool. This is one of those cool gadgets that's a quick and easy gift idea for that man in your life, whether he's your husband, your dad, or your brother or uncle. The 23-in-1 functions in one, and it is a multi-purpose to meet your various needs and can replace a whole toolbox. This is really handy to clip on your backpack when you're heading out on a camping trip or a hike or even a bike ride, because some of the tools can be effective in repairing and adjusting bicycle equipment. It only weighs 3.35 ounces, can be used in many scenarios such as opening a beer bottle, turning the screw, fixing snowboarding equipment, bicycle, etc. It's made of iron 420 stainless steel, which makes the Snowflake multi-tool strong, hard, and smooth surface, has a high corrosion resistance, and it's not easy to damage or rust. And what's unique about this tool, not only does it have all these wrenches, Phillips head screwdrivers, flathead, bottle openers, T20 screwdrivers, a bike spoke wrench, which is 3.5 millimeter, and various hex wrenches. It also is a fidget spinner. So if you know someone who likes to fidget spin, this will be another gadget that they can spin. So if you're looking for a multi-tool for that person in your life, then you should be considering picking up one of these or two.